Hello everyone, I'm Priyanka Shah and welcome to my YouTube channel Mathalite. In this video, we'll continue with exercise 14C from chapter Equation of a Line. So starting with question number 10. The following figure shows a parallelogram ABCD whose side AB is parallel to the x-axis. Angle A is equal to 60 degrees and vertex C is equal to 7,5. Find the equations of BC and CD. There is a parallelogram A, B, C, D. Okay. Parallelogram hai, so you are supposed to know the properties. Okay. Now, what other information is given? Angle A is 60 degrees and coordinates of C is given. Okay. So, three things are given to us. Parallelogram hai, एक angle दिया है and C का coordinates दिया है. From this, we have to find out equations of BC and CD. BC का equation and CD का equation find out करना है. There are three ways to find the equation. There are three different forms. First one is slope intercept. Second is point slope. And third is 2 points. Which one will we use over here? First, let us consider BC. Okay, BC का कैसे find out करेंगे? Slope intercept. For that you need slope and y intercept. Okay. So BC के लिए y intercept मुझे मिलेगा क्या? Where it is intersecting y axis, it is not possible to find that, right? So this is not possible. Point slope. For that you need 1 point का coordinates and slope. Okay. So C का coordinates मुझे पता है. For BC, I know C का coordinates, right? C is lying on BC. So 1 point का coordinates पता है. Can I find out slope? Yes. Angle A 60 है. Okay. So ये angle भी 60 होगा. I'll redraw the parallelogram. A, B, C, D ऐसे है. This is 60 degrees. Okay. So this if I extend तो ये भी 60 degrees ही है. Okay, this is also 60 degrees. Now it should make 60 degrees with x-axis, right? So BC का angle should be 60 with x-axis, right? ये तो ऐसे ही मैंने extend कर दिया तो x-axis तो यहाँ पे है. This is the x-axis, right? So if A का ऐसे 60 है तो ये पार्ट भी 60 हो जाएगा because they are corresponding angles. These two lines are parallel. AB is parallel to x-axis. So this is the biggest hint over here. Okay, side AB is parallel to x-axis. So if this is 60, मतलब x-axis के साथ भी 60 degrees होगा. So whenever you're told that a line is parallel, जो भी angle यहाँ पे दिया है वही same angle x-axis के साथ होगा. Okay. So यहाँ पे 60 हो जाएगा, है ना? If this is 60, these two sides are parallel, opposite sides are parallel of parallelogram. So AD and BC are parallel. So if this is 60, this is also 60. It means it is making 60 degrees with x-axis also. Because मैं ये extend कर दूँ तो ये भी 60 हो जाएगा. Okay? This is just for understanding, students. You don't need to explain the entire logic in the sum. Okay? You don't need to explain in the solution. So ये 60 है, so इसका मतलब इसका inclination is 60 degrees with x-axis. Okay? So if this is 60, is it positive or negative? That is important part. So यहाँ से हम लोग measure कर रहे हैं. Okay? Right side से measure करें, that is you are going anti-clockwise. Okay? So whenever you are going anti-clockwise, the angle is positive. From x-axis, you are going towards this line. So you are going anti-clockwise. So it is positive 60. Okay. When you know theta, you can easily find out slope. Because m is tan theta. Okay. So m will be tan 60 over here. That is root 3. So I can use point slope form over here. Okay. So we know 1 point ka coordinates. We can easily find out slope using theta. So we can use this formula. Okay. For BC. Second is CD. CD का कैसे find out करेंगे? So for CD, we know that AB and CD are parallel. ए बी एंड सी डी पैरेलल है, ऑपोजिट साइड्स है, ए बी और सी डी पैरेलल ही होगा। सो बेसिक प्रॉपर्टीज पता होना चाहिए स्टूडेंट्स। नाउ ए बी एंड सी डी पैरेलल है, वी आर ऑल्सो टोल्ड दैट ए बी इज पैरेलल टू एक्स एक्सिस। So if AB is parallel to X, AB is also parallel to CD. I can say CD and X axis भी parallel है. Basically ये तीनों parallel है. Okay. If a line is parallel to X axis, what will be its inclination? थीटा क्या होगा? 0. है ना? It will never cut X axis, so थीटा will be 0. कभी मीट ही नहीं होगा. So CD के लिए थीटा will be 0. Okay. Once you get theta, you can easily find out m. Slope मिल जाएगा. Okay. So for BC, we are getting theta as 60 degrees. For CD, we are getting theta as 0 degrees because parallel है with x-axis. First line is parallel to second line and first line is parallel to third line. तो second and third भी parallel ही हुआ ना. Okay. So ये दोनों parallel है. So theta will be 0 in this case. Once you get theta, slope find out करना बहुत easy है. And for CD again we know C का coordinates. Okay, so again we'll use point slope form. One point का coordinates पता है, slope पता है. Using that form you can find out the equation of the line. So point slope form में what will be the equation? It will be y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Where m is the slope and x1 y1 क्या हो जाएगा? It will be the coordinates of that point. Okay? यहाँ पे c का coordinates पता है, so it will be x1 y1. So you will put the values of x1 y1, you will put the values of m and you will get the equation. Okay? So very easy. All right. Now we will solve properly with proper statements. There are a few statements to be written. First, we'll write down the given information, that is quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. AB is parallel to X axis. This is very helpful information. Angle A is 60 degrees and I forgot to write down the coordinates of C. Write that as well. Okay. So write down over here and C is 7,5. Now the important part. First, we'll find out the equation of BC. Okay. BC का equation find out करना है. So for that I'll be using point slope form, है ना, point slope form use कर सकते हैं. एक point का coordinates दिया है, we need to find out slope. So for slope here I can find out inclination. Okay, inclination that is theta. So BC का inclination find out करने के लिए पहले मुझे AD का inclination देखना पड़ेगा क्या है. So inclination of AD with x axis is 60 degrees. A is 60. So अगर मैं इसको extend करूँ, this will also be 60 degrees because AB is parallel to x axis. ये दोनों lines parallel है. This is a transversal, so ये corresponding angles हो जाएगा. Okay, corresponding angles हो जाएगा. So angle जो ये है, this will be 60 degrees. AD का inclination will be 60 degrees. It will be positive or negative? It will be positive because x से स्टार्ट करेंगे, सो x से यू आर मेजरिंग AD का एंगल दैट इज गोइंग टू बी एंटी क्लॉकवाइज. पॉजिटिव 60 होगा. AD का इंक्लिनेशन 60 है, सो उससे जो पैरेलल लाइन है उसका भी इंक्लिनेशन 60 ही होगा. ओके, बिकॉज दीज आर लाइक टू पैरेलल लाइन्स एंड ये ट्रांसवर्सल हो गया. AD एंड BC आर टू पैरेलल लाइन्स एंड अगर उसको एक्सटेंड करे तो इट इज़ गोइंग टू कट एक्स एक्सिस. ये 60 है तो ये भी 60 हो जाएगा. ओके, सो दिस विल बी 60 डिग्रीज. सो BC का इंक्लिनेशन विल ऑल्सो बी 60 डिग्रीज बिकॉज AD एंड BC आर पैरेलल. एंड वाई दे आर पैरेलल? बिकॉज दे आर ऑपोजिट साइड्स ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम. ओके, सो यू हैव टू गिव रीजन ओवर हियर. ओके, नाउ BC का इंक्लिनेशन पता चल गया. Once you get inclination तो slope find out करना easy है. So for BC we'll write down the given information, but before that point slope form है. So you are going to use the equation y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. x1 y1 is nothing but coordinates of C. So you have to name C का coordinates as x1 y1. Okay. So C is x1, y1, that is 7, 5, okay, where x1 is 7 and y1 is 5. Now, for BC, theta is 60 degrees and C is x1, y1, that is 7, 5. Let us find out the slope first. Slope will be tan theta, that is tan 60. That will give root 3. Tan 60 is root 3, right? Standard value table पता होना चाहिए. Now m का value मिल गया using the formula. Okay, so we'll use the formula and find out the equation of BC. So using point slope form, equation of BC is y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. Y as it is, y1 is 5 equals to m is root 3 into x as it is minus x1 is 7. Y minus 5 is equal to root 3x minus 7 root 3. Shifting 5 over here because numbers we'll group together. So y is equal to root 3x plus 5 हो जाएगा minus 7 root 3. So this is the equation of the line. You cannot solve this further, right? ये as it is ही रहेगा because 7 के साथ root 3 है. So you cannot solve further. This is the equation of the line BC. So after this you will add the statement, the equation of BC is y equals to root 3x plus 5 minus 7 root 3. Now same way we'll find the equation of CD. Okay. For CD again we'll use point slope form. So we know the coordinates of one point, that is C का coordinates पता है. We need to find out the slope of CD. For slope we know that CD is parallel to AB and AB is parallel to x axis. So I can say CD is parallel to x axis and any line which is parallel to x axis उसका inclination हो जाएगा 0. Okay. So this is a very basic property which you are supposed to know. Okay. Now few statements again लिखना है. AB is parallel to x axis and also AB is parallel to CD. Why AB is parallel to CD? Opposite sides of parallelogram है ना. Parallelogram का property है ये. So AB is parallel to x axis, AB is also parallel to CD, so I can say x axis and CD are parallel to each other. Okay. Since CD is parallel, उसका inclination क्या हो जाएगा? It will be 0 degrees. Okay. For line parallel to x axis, theta is 0 degrees. So we'll write this. After this, we have all the information. Theta पता है, point का coordinates पता है. So first we'll find out the slope. Once you get the slope, you can easily find out the equation of the line. So slope find out करते हैं. M is equal to tan theta. That is M is equal to tan 0. What is tan 0? 0. Okay. So what will be the equation of the line? It will be y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. We'll make the substitutions over there. So write down using point slope form. Equation of CD is y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. Y as it is, y1 है 5, m is 0 and x minus x1 is 7. 0 into anything 0 ही हो जाएगा. Okay, so यहाँ पे पूरा 0 हो जाएगा. Sorry, y minus 5 equal to 0. So this will give y equals to 5. This is the equation of the line CD. So CD का equation we got y equals to 5. Box this and write down the final statement. The equation of the line CD is y equals to 5 and BC का already मिल गया था. Okay, it was something root 3 something. So there also don't forget to put the statements, and whenever you get the equation, just box it. Okay, all right. Moving on to next question, question number 11. Find the equation of the straight line passing through origin and the point of intersection of the lines x plus 2y equal to 7 and x minus y equal to 4. This is a very easy question. You just have to figure out कैसे solve करना है. We have to find the equation of a line which is passing through origin. The line is passing through origin. Origin का coordinates क्या होता है? 0, 0. So there is a line which is passing through origin and it is passing through the point of intersection of the two lines. ये two lines का equation दिया है. So there are two lines. One is x plus 2y equal to 7 and another is x minus y equal to 4. इसका जो पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन है, ये टू लाइंस का पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन, इसके थ्रू ये लाइन पास हो रहा है एंड इसके थ्रू. सो दिस लाइन इज पासिंग लाइक दिस थ्रू द टू पॉइंट्स. ओके, नाउ वी नो द कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ वन पॉइंट विच इज लाइंग ऑन दिस लाइन. इसका इक्वेशन फाइंड आउट करना है. इसका इक्वेशन क्या है? सो एक कोऑर्डिनेट मुझे पता है, एक पॉइंट का कोऑर्डिनेट्स पता है, दूसरा पॉइंट का कोऑर्डिनेट्स मैं फाइंड आउट कर सकती हूँ. इट इज पासिंग थ्रू दिस पॉइंट ऑल्सो, द पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन ऑफ द टू लाइन्स. ये टू लाइन्स का इक्वेशन दिया है. इट इज x प्लस 2y इक्वल टू 7 एंड x माइनस y इक्वल टू 4. आई जस्ट हैव टू सॉल्व दिस. ऑन सॉल्विंग, जैसे हम लोग लीनियर इक्वेशन सॉल्व करते हैं इन टू वेरिएबल, यू विल गेट x का वैल्यू, y का वैल्यू. Once you get x and y ka value, this is nothing but the coordinates of this point of intersection. Okay, so when you are solving two linear equations ka solution, you are finding the solution, what you are getting is the coordinates of the point of the intersection of the two lines. So iska coordinates mil jayega. Okay, once you get the coordinates of this point, jo bhi milega, you have the coordinates of the 2 points lying on the line. So we can use 2 points form. 2 points form use कर सकते हैं. 2 points का coordinates पता है. First we'll find out the slope using the formula y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 or y1 minus y2 upon x1 minus x2. Slope मिल जाएगा. And then put it in the equation form, that is y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. m का वैल्यू यहाँ से मिल जाएगा. ओके, दोनों पॉइंट्स का कोऑर्डिनेट्स पता है, सो सिर्फ वैल्यू सब्सटीट्यूट करना है. ओके, एक को x1 y1 ले लो, एक को x2 y2, और इसको x1 y1 ले लो, इसको x2 y2, डज नॉट मैटर विच वन यूर नंबरिंग एज व्हाट. सो x1 y1 x2 y2 ले लो, m का वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करो. वंस यू गेट m का वैल्यू, देन पुट इट इन द इक्वेशन ओवर हियर. यहाँ पे x1 y1 सब्सटीट्यूट करेंगे. सो जिसको भी x1 y1 लिया है वो वैल्यूज पुट करो, m का वैल्यू पुट करो, यू विल गेट द इक्वेशन. ओके, आई रिपीट, देयर इज अ लाइन विच इज पासिंग थ्रू ओरिजिन. ओरिजिन का कोऑर्डिनेट्स इज 0, 0. ओके, इट इज द पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन ऑफ x and y axis. So it is 0, 0. It is passing through origin and through other point of intersection of two lines. Okay, and ये two lines का equation दिया है. So we just have to solve the two equations, find out the value of x and y. जो x and y का value मिलेगा, that is nothing but the coordinates of that point of intersection. So this line is passing through that point of intersection also. So ये point is also lying on the line, ये point is also lying on the line. So we have 2 points का coordinates, we'll use 2 points form. By 2 points form, first slope find out करना है. Okay, so we'll find out slope. Then put the value of slope and x1 y1. Okay, कोई भी एक point का coordinates जिसको x1 y1 consider किया है, you can take this as x1 y1 and this as x2 y2, or this as x1 y1 and this as x2 y2. Up to you. Okay, so now we'll write down proper statements and then solve. Draw the figure, students. It will be easy for you to understand. Okay, so draw this figure. Now we have to write down a few statements. So there is only one statement in fact. Origin we have named as O, okay, and coordinates we have named as x1, y1. Alright, so O is x1, y1, which is 0, 0. And point of intersection of the two lines is P, that is x2, y2. So these are the 2 points O and P, दो points है जिसके through line pass हो रहा है and इसका equation find out करना है. Okay, for that we need P का coordinates, because P is the point of intersection of the two lines x plus 2y equal to 7 and x minus y equal to 4. So we'll solve the two equations and first find out the x and y coordinate of P. Okay, so write down the two equations. X plus 2y equals to 7, number this as 1. X minus y equal to 4, number this as 2. Now we'll solve the two equations. I'll be subtracting. So on subtraction x will get cancelled. We'll get the value of y. So subtracting 2 from 1. So first I'll write down the 1 because I'm subtracting 2. So 2 का signs change हो जाएगा. So plus x becomes minus x, minus y becomes plus y, and plus 4 becomes minus 4. Plus x minus x cancel हो गया. 2y plus y will give 3y. 7 minus 4 gives 3. Y is 3 upon 3, that is y is 1. So y coordinate मिल गया, it is 1. X coordinate find out करना है. So putting y equal to 1 in 2. You can substitute in either of the two equations. किसी में भी substitute कर लो. X minus 1 is equal to 4. So x is 4 plus 1, that is x is equal to 5. Okay. So x coordinate भी मिल गया, it is 5. We got x and y का values. This is nothing but the coordinates of the point P, because P is the point of intersection of the two lines. So उसका coordinates मिल गया. Okay. So therefore P x2 y2 is 5, 1. First x coordinate and then y coordinate. Okay. We got the coordinates of P. Now OP के थ्रू लाइन पास हो रहा है, उसका इक्वेशन फाइंड आउट करना है. We know O का coordinates, we know P का coordinates, that is 2 points का coordinates पता है. We'll use 2 points form. Okay. So by 2 points form, first we need to find out the slope. पहले slope find out करेंगे and then we'll frame the equation. So for OP, O is x1 y1, that is 0, 0, and P is x2 y2, that is 5, 1. Okay. First slope find out करना है. So using y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 वाला formula, or y1 minus y2 upon x1 minus x2. y2 is 1, y1 is 0, x2 is 5 and x1 is 0. So 1 upon 5 we are getting m ka value. Now by 2 points form, equation of line OP is y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. Y minus y1 is 0, m is 1 by 5 into x minus x1 is again 0. So y is equal to 1 by 5x. Okay. Shifting 5 on the other side, we'll get 5y is equal to x. This is the equation of the line. Or in other words, x minus 5y equal to 0. So you can express the equation in any form. ऐसे भी रख सकते हैं, ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं. Okay. Or 5y minus x equal to 0. Either ways the equation is correct. Okay. So box the equation that you are getting and depending on what you are considering as the equation, ये या फिर ये, you can keep it as it is also over here. So this is the equation of the line. Write down the final statement. The equation of the line OP is 5y equal to x or x minus 5y equal to 0. Let's solve the next question. Question number 12. In triangle ABC, the coordinates of vertices A, B and C are 4, 7, minus 2, 3 and 0, 1 respectively. Find the equation of median through vertex A. Also find the equation of the line through vertex B and parallel to AC. There is a triangle ABC. So first let us draw the triangle. एक triangle है ABC. The coordinates of vertices A, B and C are 4, 7, minus 2, 3 and 0, 1. Coordinates are also given. So A, B and C. So A का coordinates पहले, then B and then C. Go in correct order. Okay. So it is 4, 7, minus 2, 3 and 0, 1. Find the equation of median through vertex A. You are drawing a median from A. A से you are joining a segment to the midpoint of the opposite side. Opposite side of A क्या है? BC. So midpoint of BC, let's name it as M. When you join A and M, this is nothing but median. Okay. So you are supposed to know what is a median. So you are drawing a median through vertex A, that is from A to the midpoint of the opposite side. Okay. So M is the midpoint of the side BC. Now we have to find the equation of this median. AM का equation find out करना है. To find out the equation, we have A का coordinates. What else can we find out? We can find out M का coordinates also. Once we get M का coordinates, A and M, 2 points का coordinates मिल जाएगा. So using 2 points form, I can find out the slope of the line and then the equation of the line. Okay. So I need to find out M का coordinates, which is very easy. M is midpoint of BC. So by midpoint formula, M का x and y coordinate क्या होगा? X coordinate will be sum of the x coordinates of B and C divided by 2, and y coordinate will be sum of the y coordinates divided by 2. So by midpoint formula it will be minus 2 plus 0 upon 2 and 3 plus 1 upon 2. You will get the coordinates of M. Okay. Once you get the coordinates of M, A and M का coordinates पता है. So to find out the equation of the line AM is very easy using 2 points form. First we'll find out the slope of AM. So slope of AM क्या हो जाएगा? It will be y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So name the points. Okay. I'll take this as x1, y1 and this as x2, y2. You can take this as x1, y1 and this as x2, y2. It's up to you, okay? So according to that, you will substitute in the formula and find out the slope of the line. Again, यहाँ पे not necessary y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. You can take y1 minus y2 upon x1 minus x2. Normally this is preferred, okay? So slope मिल जाएगा. एक बार slope मिल गया, then equation is very easy. ये हो जाएगा इक्वेशन. सो x and y as it is, x1 y1 सब्सटीट्यूट करेंगे. आई एम टेकिंग दिस एज x1 y1 का वैल्यू सब्सटीट्यूट करो, m का वैल्यू सब्सटीट्यूट करो. m इज नथिंग बट स्लोप. सो स्लोप का वैल्यू जो भी मिलेगा वो सब्सटीट्यूट करो. यू विल गेट द इक्वेशन ऑफ द लाइन. सॉल्व फर्दर, सिंप्लीफाई करो एंड यू विल गेट द इक्वेशन ऑफ द लाइन. ओके. सो इट्स वेरी इजी. ओके. सो वील सॉल्व स्टेप बाय स्टेप. Second part में you have to find out the equation of the line through vertex B and parallel to AC. There is a line through B and parallel to AC. So B से पास हो रहा है and AC से parallel है. इसका equation क्या होगा? Now, if you consider AC and a line parallel to that, दो parallel lines का slope क्या होगा? It will be same, है ना? Slope will be same. So whatever is the slope of AC, same will be the slope of this line which is parallel to AC. So you can easily find out जो भी इसका slope है वो easily मिल जाएगा. Okay. Once you get the slope of this line, इसका equation find out करना बहुत easy है because we have the slope and we also have a point which is lying on this line because this line is passing through B, so B का coordinates पता है. So you know one point का coordinates, you know the slope, so we'll use point slope form. Again point slope form is same, y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. Okay, so m तो मिल जाएगा. Once you find slope of AC, it's easy to find slope of this line. So AC का slope find करना भी बहुत easy है, y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Okay, मिल जाएगा. Slope मिल गया तो इसका slope मिल गया, m मिल गया. And x1 y1 is nothing but the coordinates of the point B. वो put करेंगे, m का value put करेंगे and we'll get the equation of the line parallel to AC and passing through B. Okay, so now we'll write down, first we'll solve for the first part and then we'll come to the second part. Please draw the figure, it will be easy for you to understand. So first thing that you will do is draw the figure. Okay. After this, write down the given information. In the question they have given the coordinates of A, B and C, so वो लिख लो. After that, we are naming the median as AM. It is not named in the question, so we'll name it. So let AM be the median through A. Since AM is the median, AM median है, इसका मतलब M has to be the midpoint of BC. Okay, because midpoint से ही connect करेंगे. Okay. It has to be the midpoint. So this concludes that M is the midpoint of BC. Since it is the midpoint, I can easily find out the coordinates of M using midpoint formula. So by midpoint formula, M का coordinates क्या हो जाएगा? X coordinate will be sum of the X coordinates of B and C. It is midpoint of BC, so B and C का coordinates consider करेंगे. X coordinates of B and C, that is minus 2 plus 0 divided by 2, and sum of Y coordinates divided by 2, so 3 plus 1 divided by 2. So that is minus 2 upon 2 and 4 upon 2. This gives minus 1 and 2. So M का coordinates मिल गया -1, 2. We have to find out the equation of AM. So A का coordinates पता है, M का coordinates पता है, 2 points form से find out करेंगे. Okay, for that first we'll find out the slope. Okay, so let us find out the slope of AM. So for AM, A I am considering as x1 y1, that is 4,7, and M as x2 y2, that is -1, 2. Okay, so slope, that is small m, will be y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So this will give -1 minus 4, just making the substitutions, y2 minus 1 है, y1 4 है, upon x2 is, sorry, y2 is 2 and y1 is 7. So very sorry, don't make this mistake students, your answer will go wrong. So y2 is 2 and y1 is 7, and x2 is -1 and x1 is 4. So this will give you 2 minus 7 is -5, and -1 -4 दोनों नेगेटिव है, सो ऐड करेंगे, सो 5 हो जाएगा, and put the negative sign. So this will give 1. Okay, slope 1 हो जाएगा, -5 1s are -5. So slope we are getting as 1. We got slope. Now using the formula y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1, we'll find out the equation of am. So write down all the information that is required to find the equation of am. A we have taken as x1 y1, m as x2 y2. Okay, so I just rewrote that. Slope mil gaya, that is slope m is 1. So using 2 points form, equation of AM is y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. That is y minus y1 has 7 equals to m is 1 into x minus x1 is 4. So y minus 7 is equal to x minus 4. Multiplying by 1 you will get the same bracket. 7 को शिफ्ट करते हैं, so it will become +7 minus 4. So this gives x plus 3. Box this. Y equal to x plus 3 is the equation of the line. That is equation of AM. So write down the final statement. The equation of the median through vertex A. The equation of median through vertex A, that is AM, is y equals to x plus 3. सेकेंड पार्ट फाइंड आउट करना है. अब सेकेंड पार्ट में फाइंड द इक्वेशन ऑफ द लाइन थ्रू वर्टेक्स बी एंड पैरेलल टू AC. देयर इज अ लाइन पासिंग थ्रू बी से पास हो रहा है एंड पैरेलल टू AC से पैरेलल है. सो एक लाइन है जो B से पास होके जा रहा है एंड पैरेलल है AC से. इसका इक्वेशन क्या होगा? दैट इज व्हाट दे हैव आस्क्ड. इट इज पासिंग थ्रू बी एंड बी का कोऑर्डिनेट्स पता है, सो यू नो 1 पॉइंट का कोऑर्डिनेट्स. व्हाट एल्स यू कैन फाइंड आउट? दिस लाइन इज पैरेलल टू AC, सो दोनों का स्लोप्स सेम होगा. पैरेलल लाइंस हैव सेम स्लोप्स, इक्वल स्लोप्स, एंड फाइंडिंग स्लोप ऑफ AC इज वेरी इजी. Because I know coordinates of A, I know coordinates of C, I can easily find out slope of AC. So slope of the line parallel to AC, उसका भी slope same ही होगा. So it will be equal to the slope of line parallel to AC. So slope of line parallel to AC easily मिल जाएगा by finding slope of AC. Now once you get the slope, you know the slope of the line, you know 1 point का coordinates, which formula? Point slope form. Okay, point slope form use करेंगे. That is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Slope मिल जाएगा यहाँ से. Okay, and x1 y1 is nothing but the coordinates of the point lying on that line, that is B का coordinates. Okay. First we'll find out the slope of AC. So for AC, A का coordinates and C का coordinates, we know we can easily find out the slope. So first we'll subtract y coordinates. So 1 minus 7 upon 0 minus 4, right? You can also take like this, 7 minus 1 upon 4 minus 0. Okay. सो जहाँ से y कोऑर्डिनेट पहले कंसिडर किया है वहीं से x कोऑर्डिनेट कंसिडर करना पड़ेगा. दैट यू हैव टू कीप इन माइंड. ओके, सो 1 minus 7 is -6 and 0 minus 4 is -4. माइनस इंटू माइनस प्लस हो जाएगा. सो दैट इज बेसिकली माइनस माइनस कैंसिल हो जाएगा. सो 2 3s are 2 2s are. दिस गिव्स 3/2. पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा. ओके, स्लोप ऑफ AC मिल गया. So same will be the slope of the line which is parallel to AC. So construct this, okay? It will be easy for you to understand. So slope of line parallel to AC is equal to slope of AC, and slope of AC क्या है? 3/2. So slope of line parallel to AC is equal to 3/2. Now we have the slope, we know one point ka coordinates, so we can easily find out the equation of this line. So for the line we have enough data now. For the line passing through B and parallel to the line AC, slope we just found and B ka coordinates already pata hai. So the equation of the line, no short forms, okay, you have to write down full word. The equation of the line by point slope form, because we know one point ka coordinates and slope, it will be y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. Y as it is, y1 is 3 and it is equal to m, that is 3 by 2 into x minus x1 is minus 2. So यहाँ पे माइनस साइन है, डोंट फॉरगेट दिस पार्ट, बॉक्स ब्रैकेट्स डाल दो. y minus 3, shifting 2 on the other side, you cannot keep it like this, simplify करना पड़ेगा. So shifting 2 on the other side, 3 into x minus minus plus हो जाएगा. Okay, so 2y minus 6 is equal to 3x plus 6. So 2y is equal to 3x, shifting 6 over here, plus 6 plus 6. ओके, ये ऑलरेडी था, यहाँ पे शिफ्ट कर दिया तो एक और 6 आ गया. सो 2y is equal to 3x plus 12. This is the equation of the line. You can write it like this, or you can write it as 3x minus 2y plus 12, shifting this over here and then switch the sides. Okay, anyway, so this is also correct, this is also correct. Okay, write down the final statement. The final statement you write, line passing through B and the line parallel to AC, sorry, I'll just repeat. For line passing through B and parallel to line AC, the equation is 2y equal to 3x plus 12 or 3x minus 2y plus 12 equal to 0. Okay, either of the two equations you can write down. Let's read the next question, question number 13. A, B and C have coordinates 0, 3, 4, 4 and 8, 0 respectively. Find the equation of the line through A and perpendicular to BC. There are 3 points A, B and C and the coordinates of the 3 points are given. So these 3 points are non-collinear, that is एक line पे नहीं है, because it is not given anywhere over here that they are lying on the same line. Okay, in fact we are drawing a perpendicular from one point to the other side. So these 3 points are non-collinear, that is they are not lying on the same line. Okay, so A, B, C, A का coordinates 0, 3, B का coordinates 4, 4 and C का coordinates 8, 0. Go in correct order. A, B and C है, so ये A का coordinates, ये B का and ये C का. Okay. Find the equation of the line through A and perpendicular to BC. A से एक line pass हो रहा है which is perpendicular to BC. Okay, so if you would have considered 3 lines which are lying on the 3 points which are lying on the same line, then you cannot do this, right? So of course the points are not lying on the same line, non-collinear points here. Okay, so we are drawing a line perpendicular to BC. पहले BC join करना पड़ेगा. So let's join BC. From A there is a line passing and it is perpendicular to BC. Let this line meet BC at D. Now we have to find the equation of this line. AD का equation find out करना है. So AD का equation, how will we find out? We know A का coordinates. So one point का coordinates पता है. What other information can we get? We know point का coordinates. So point पता है. We can easily find out slope of this line AD. How? AD is perpendicular to BC. It is perpendicular, that is given to us. So for two perpendicular lines, we know how the slopes are related. Slope of AD into slope of BC is equal to -1, है ना? That is, slope of AD will be negative reciprocal of slope of BC. Okay. So slope of AD I can easily find out if I know slope of BC. मुझे AD का slope चाहिए, but I can find this if I know slope of BC. Can I find slope of BC? B and C का coordinates पता है. You know the coordinates. So you can easily find out the slope of this line using the formula m is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. है ना? So slope of BC is easy to find. It is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So y1, y2 and x1, x2 will be the coordinates of B and C. Okay. So you can easily find out slope of BC. एक बार slope मिल गया, then slope of AD easily मिल जाएगा. And once you get the slope of AD, you will use point slope form. One point का coordinates पता है, that is A का coordinates पता है. Slope you will get, okay? Slope of AD you will get from this. So from this information, you can easily find out the equation of the line. It will be y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1, where m is nothing but the slope of AD. x1 y1 क्या होगा? A का coordinates, the point which is lying on the line, उसका coordinates. So you'll put the values of x1 y1, put the value of m and get the equation of AD. Okay. So I'll repeat. There are 3 points A, B and C. And there is a line passing through A which is perpendicular to BC. So let this line meet BC at D. AD का equation find out करने के लिए I have A का coordinates, that is one point का coordinates है. What else can I find out? I can find out slope. So by point slope form I can form the equation. So slope कैसे find out करेंगे? AD is perpendicular to BC. So we know that the slopes of the two lines, product of the slopes of two lines is -1. So slope of AD into slope of BC will be -1. AD का slope find out करना है, for that I need BC का slope. So BC का slope I can easily find out because I know the coordinates of the 2 points. Using the formula I can easily find out the coordinates, the slope of BC. Once I get the slope, AD का भी slope मिल जाएगा. Okay. So AD का slope मिल गया, then I can easily form the equation of the line AD. Okay. Draw the figure for reference, students. It will be easy for you to understand. So draw the figure. After that, write down all the given information, that is the coordinates of A, B and C. This is the only given information. Now perpendicular is meeting BC at D. Okay, we have assumed it to meet at point D. So let perpendicular from A meet BC at D, that is AD is perpendicular to BC. ठीक है? So now we need to find out BC का slope. पहले BC का slope find out करते हैं. So for that we'll write down the coordinates of B and C. So it is 4,4 and C is 8,0. Slope of BC क्या हो जाएगा? You'll subtract y coordinates first, then x coordinates. So 0 minus 4 upon 8 minus 4. You can go the other way around also. 4 minus 0, पहले यहाँ से y coordinate subtract किया, but then x भी यहाँ से ही start होगा. So 4 minus 0 upon 4 minus 8 हो जाएगा. Okay. So this will give -4 upon 8 minus 4 gives 4. 4 ones are, so this will give -1. Slope of BC is -1. Okay. Now We know BC and AD are perpendicular. So product of the slopes is -1. So AD is perpendicular to BC. Therefore, slope of AD into slope of BC is -1. That is slope of AD is equal to -1 upon slope of BC. That way also you can write. ठीक है, कैसे भी लिख सकते हैं. So slope of AD is unknown, but slope of BC I know. Slope of BC I just got, it is -1. Okay, shifting -1 over here into है, so denominator में चला जाएगा. Okay, so slope of AD is -1 upon -1, that is -1 1 है ना. Slope of AD is 1. We got the slope of AD. We have the coordinates of A. So using point slope form, I can easily find out the equation of AD. Okay, so let's find that. For AD, we know slope is 1. We just found the value. Slope is 1. And coordinates of A is 0, 3. So let A be x1, y1 be 0, 3. Why x1, y1? Because in the formula you will have y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So x1, y1 ये हो जाएगा and this is the value of m. So by point slope formula, equation of AD is y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. y minus y1 है 3 equals to m is 1 and x as it is, x1 is 0. y minus 3 equals to 1 into x minus 0 will give me x, है ना. 1 into x, x minus 1 into 0 is 0. Y is equal to x, shifting over here, plus 3. This is the equation of the line. Okay, or x minus y plus 3 and equal to 0 हो जाएगा. Switching the sides, x minus y plus 3 equal to 0. So you can write it like this also. Okay, both ways it is correct. So we got the equation of the line passing through A and perpendicular to BC. So write down the statement. The equation of the line through A and perpendicular to BC is y equal to x plus 3 or x minus y plus 3 equal to 0. Moving on to next question, question number 14. Find the equation of the perpendicular dropped from the point -1, 2 onto the line joining the points 1, 4 and 2, 3. We have to find the equation of the perpendicular dropped from the point -1, 2. Dropped from the point means you are drawing a perpendicular from this point. ये point से perpendicular draw करने वाले हैं. Okay. So first we'll draw this point -1, 2. यहाँ से perpendicular draw करना है. So perpendicular बाद में करेंगे. Further, what is given? We'll draw a perpendicular from this point onto the line joining the points 1, 4 and 2, 3. We are going to draw a perpendicular from this point to a line joining the points 1, 4. So there are 2 points जिसको join करके ये line form हो रहा है. The points are 1, 4 and 2, 3. Okay, so there is a perpendicular from this point to this line joining the 2 points. Okay, let's name the points. Okay, so let's name this as P, this as Q and R. So we are drawing a perpendicular from P to QR. It is meeting QR over here. So let's name this point something. Let's name it as D. Okay, so PD is perpendicular to QR. Okay, now we have to find the equation of the perpendicular. We have to find the equation of the perpendicular dropped from this point. So the perpendicular that is dropped from this point, that is PD, इसका equation find out करना है, PD का equation find out करना है. For that, what information do we have about PD? P का coordinates पता है, that is one point का coordinates पता है. Okay, what else can I find out? PD is perpendicular to QR, perpendicular है. So PD and QR, the products of the slopes of both these lines is -1 because they are perpendicular lines. So for perpendicular lines, product of the slopes, that is slope of PD into slope of QR is -1. We need to find slope of PD, ये find out करना है. For that I need to know what is slope of QR. अगर QR का value मिल गया, I can just put it over here and find out the slope of PD. QR का slope क्या है? Q and R, we know the coordinates of Q and R. So slope of QR is easy. You can easily find out slope of QR. What will be the slope of QR? y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, or y1 minus y2 upon x1 minus x2. You will get the slope of QR easily because we know the coordinates of Q and R. So ये मिल जाएगा. Once you get this, slope of PD is easy using this formula. So slope of PD मिल जाएगा. We know one point का coordinate, so point slope form. Okay, so we have one point का coordinates, we'll get the slope. So equation is easy, right? We'll use this form, point slope form. x1 y1 will be the coordinates of the point. So PD में P का coordinates पता है, so this will be x1 y1. We'll put the values over here. M we'll get from here. ठीक है, PD का slope मिल जाएगा, so this we'll get. So putting the values of y1, m and x1, we'll get the equation of the line PD. Okay, that is the equation of perpendicular PD. First thing that we'll do over here is name the coordinates, because the coordinates here are not named. So P is -1, 2, Q is 1, 4 and R is 2, 3. You can name as per your choice. From P we are drawing a perpendicular to QR. So draw this figure, it will be easy for you to understand. From P we are drawing a perpendicular to QR. This perpendicular is meeting QR at point D, so that also we have to add over here. So also let perpendicular from P meet QR at point D. Okay, we are assuming that it is meeting at point D. We are naming it as D. That is, in other words, PD is perpendicular to QR. Now we need the slope of PD so that we can use the point slope form. Okay, point का coordinates पता है, slope चाहिए. So for PD का slope I need QR का slope. So QR का slope is easy to find because I know the coordinates of Q and R. Okay, so write this down for QR, Q का coordinates and R का coordinates. Now we'll find out the slope of QR. So first we'll subtract y coordinates, 3 minus 4 upon 2 minus 1. 3 minus 4 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1, that is -1 हो जाएगा. Slope of QR. We know that these two lines are perpendicular, PD and QR. So product of their slopes is -1. Slope of PD into slope of QR is equal to -1. You can give reason over here. PD is perpendicular to QR. This we have to find out. So keep it as it is. Slope of PD as it is रखते हैं. Slope of QR we just got -1. into -1 है, so when you shift on the other side it goes in denominator, divide हो जाएगा. Okay, so we'll shift it on the other side. So slope of PD is -1 upon -1. That is minus into minus plus हो जाएगा. 1 upon 1 is nothing but 1. Slope of PD is equal to 1. You can also find it like this. -1 cancel कर सकते हैं because it is into, है ना, into है. So -1 cancel हो जाएगा. That is यहाँ पे सिर्फ 1 बचेगा. So slope of PD is equal to 1. Multiplication में जब cancel out करते हैं तो 1 बचता है ना. And when you add or subtract then 0 बचता है. So यहाँ पे 1 बचेगा. That is slope of PD is 1. So we got the slope of PD. We know P का coordinates. We can easily find out the equation of PD. Let's find it. So for PD, P, that is x1 y1 is -1, 2. We have considered it as x1 y1 because in formula we have to put the values of x1 and y1, that is the coordinates. Okay, m ka value is 1, which we just calculated. So using point slope form, equation of PD is y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. Y as it is, y1 है 2, m is 1, x as it is, x1 is -1, so -1, and put box brackets. Be very careful with signs. If you go wrong, your equation will come out wrong. So y minus 2 is equal to 1 into x plus 1 हो जाएगा. Minus into minus plus. 1 into anything will give that thing itself. So x plus 1 ही मिलेगा. Shifting to over here, y is equal to x plus 1 plus 2. That is y is equal to x plus 3. This is the equation of the line. Okay. Box this and write down the final statement. The equation of the perpendicular from P to QR is y equals to x plus 3. Okay.